Yeah, the ducks, the chickens are peaceful. Everybody's at ease. And sunny and shade, them was the ducks. Here soon you're gonna see us taking them on a walk. Yeah, I went ahead and cleaned my backyard up a little bit. Looks a little better, nice and green. There's Easter over there by herself. She's the one chick that's by herself. And then Gloria and Coco are sitting next to each other. One red, two reds. One's ginger. Four red. Off over here by herself. These are all females too. I'll show you when we get them eggs. Ducks lay eggs as well. What's up, Easter? Where's Sweet Pea? I see everybody but Sweet Pea. Let's see if I can find her. Sweet Pea will be by herself. She's always in the food. Look where she's at. In here in the food by herself. Sweet Pea come in the house. Out of all of them, she's probably my favorite. You ain't supposed to have a favorite, but that's my favorite. Oh look, she coming with me. Well, she wants me to pick her up.